Sachin Tendulkar, the Master Blaster's journey to cricketing greatness. In the annals of cricketing history, few names evoke as much reverence and admiration as that of Sachin Tendulkar. Widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of all time, Tendulkar's illustrious career spanning more than 2 decades is a testament to his unparalleled talent, dedication, and passion for the sport. Early life and beginnings. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on April 24, 1973, in Mumbai, India, into a middle-class family. His tryst with cricket began at a tender age when he was just 11 years old. Recognizing his innate talent, his coach, Ramakant Achrekar, played a pivotal role in shaping his cricketing journey. Under Achrekar's guidance, young Sachin honed his skills and exhibited remarkable prowess with the bat. Rise to stardom. Tendulkar's meteoric rise to fame came when he made his international debut for India at the age of 16 in a test match against Pakistan in 1989. Despite his youth, he displayed maturity beyond his years, showcasing his impeccable technique and immense potential. His maiden test century against England in 1990 marked the beginning of a glittering career that would span over 24 years. Mastering the craft. Known for his flawless technique, exquisite timing, and an insatiable appetite for runs, Tendulkar's batting prowess was unmatched. Whether facing pace, spin, or swing, he had a solution for every challenge posed by opposition bowlers. With a vast array of strokes in his repertoire, he could effortlessly maneuver the ball to all parts of the ground, leaving spectators in awe of his mastery. Iconic moments. Throughout his illustrious career, Tendulkar etched his name in the record books with numerous milestones and unforgettable performances. From becoming the first batsman to score 100 international centuries to amassing over 34,000 runs across formats, his achievements are nothing short of legendary. Memorable innings such as his Desert Storm, knocks in Sharjah, the historic double century against South Africa, and his swashbuckling display in the 2011 World Cup are etched in the memories of cricket aficionados worldwide. Beyond cricket, off the field, Tendulkar's humility, grace, and sportsmanship endeared him to millions of fans. Despite his towering stature in the cricketing world, he remained grounded and approachable, earning the respect and admiration of his peers and rivals alike. His philanthropic efforts, including his involvement in various charitable causes and initiatives to promote sports development in India, further exemplify his commitment to giving back to society. Legacy and inspiration. As Sachin Tendulkar bid farewell to international cricket in 2013, the cricketing world paid homage to a true legend. His impact transcended borders and generations, inspiring aspiring cricketers and fans worldwide. Fondly known as the Little Master or Master Blaster, Tendulkar's legacy continues to resonate long after his retirement, serving as a beacon of inspiration for future generations of cricketers. In conclusion, Sachin Tendulkar's journey from a young prodigy to a cricketing icon is a saga of perseverance, dedication, and unparalleled talent. His contributions to the sport have left an indelible mark on the annals of cricketing history, ensuring that his name will be revered for generations to come.